This is the work that we did yesterday. I should say Raul and Raul Jr. did a good job, great job on the flower beds. I think I'll pick up a little more mulch. Trying to get a good picture of both the beds. I think it came out phenomenal. I'm not too sure about this little flower right here in the middle. It's a perennial, but I'm looking a little lonely. It's a tree. We gotta trim that tree up. There's actually a bird up in here nesting. Let me see if I can see her this morning. Yes, she in there. See ya. See you, bird. She probably wondering what's going on when these folks finally watering their grass. There you are. Whee! Shit. She flew her ass out that nest.